Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many dual boot users may encounter. Our case involves an iMac user who decided to remove their Linux Mint partition to free up some space, only to find out that macOS wouldn't boot afterward. Quite the pickle, right? Now let's delve into the solution. We've got some command line magic to perform here. To start off, we'll use the sudo disk devsda command to address the partition table correction. This step is crucial in getting that macOS partition back in shape. Remember, it's all about those precise commands to work your way through this problem. Moving right along, if you're working with a PCIe SSD rather than a SATA HDD, the sudo disk devme0 in1 command is what you'll need to utilize. By entering this command, you'll be on track to rectifying that misbehaving partition and restoring macOS boot functionality. The journey to resolving this issue is all about following these steps diligently and with a focus on precision. In summary, we've learned how to use the sudo disk command to correct the partition table and potentially fix the macOS boot issue caused by merging partitions. Remember, a few commands entered correctly can make all the difference in resolving this kind of problem. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!